Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am feeling all sorts of ways here in the congestion area and in the sick area. So I feel like it's been going around. I hope you guys haven't gotten sick. If you have, I feel you, man. I figured I'd just pop in here and give you guys a little update on what's been going on in the house. Nothing too crazy, just because it's the holidays. The last week or so, we were able to fill in the holes that we had gotten approved with the rebar and everything. We put up they put up the columns, filled the columns up. So now we have columns and the whole entire section is completely open. So I'm so excited about that. We kind of cleaned it up as much as possible so we are in a livable condition for now. And yeah, let me show you guys. Go see it. Next. Go. Okay. Clip it. Clip it. Palette of concrete. That this is finally done. This wall is finally done. I cannot believe it. It's a 15-foot opening. And then the kitchen. Yay, oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I'm so excited. Russie, do you like it? Huh? Do you like it, Russie? No? Do you still feel dusty? You're gonna get back really soon, don't you worry. There you have it. Finally got that wall taken down. I am so psyched about it. I'm so excited. It makes such a huge difference, and we can finally start seeing the whole entire feel of what it's gonna look like being so open. I have more room to run around and play around. In one of the clips you'll see some smoke. There's nothing on fire. Just an incense that I turned on. So that's what you see smoking. There's not like anything crazy going on, but I did realize that I didn't show the incense, so that's right, whatever, it doesn't matter. I hope you guys enjoyed that little recap, and I hope that everyone had a great new year, and I'm wishing everybody the best for this new year, filled with positivity, energy, success, prosperity, strength, happiness, health, and everything positive out there. I hope you guys take this opportunity to start off strong, and let's do this. Let the year begin. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye! I feel like now that I'm taking vitamins, I'm getting sick now. Anywho.